Hello guys, it's me, Nikki, and Sophia Carson!
I can't believe you just said that. I literally cannot believe I'm in a NikkieTutorials video.
I cannot believe we're finally making this happen. Okay guys, listen up, listen up. Is it 2 years ago? 3 years ago?
I think it was like 2-3 years ago we almost did this.
2-3 years ago,
Yeah.
Sophia and myself almost collaborated and something came up, we couldn't do it, and we were like, you know what?
One day.
We're gonna keep this for the future one day. Here we are.
Here we are.
In the feather goodness, yes.
I had to. This morning I was like, you know what? I'm wearing feathers for Nikki. I have to.
Oh, I cannot get over this. Oh my God. So in today's video, Sophia and I are gonna be playing a couple of games, but most of all, we're here to congratulate Sophia on her brand new collaboration with Revlon.
I'm dying. I cannot believe this is happening.
Congratulations, honey.
Thank you. I can't believe like you're holding them in your hands. This is unreal. I will never get over this. Oh my goodness.
They're right here.
They suit you. You look great. You look great holding them.
So you came out with 4 lipsticks.
Right here.
Hey, hey. 2 more neutral shades and 2 popping reds.
Precisely. Always been obsessed with nudes and reds, and my whole life they've been with me like every step of the way, you know, like every recital, every performance, every dream come true. I either had like a red lipstick on or a nude lipstick, so it just felt so perfect for this collection, this collaboration with Revlon, to do something that truly was a reflection of me and that always made me feel kind of bold and unstoppable, in hopes that, you know, whoever wears this feels the same, and just they always make me feel happy, so that's all that I want.
Oh my God. Okay, we'll get to it more soon, but you also came out with these 4 right here.
So these are actually, 2 of these shades are the same as the lipstick, Obsessed and the Sophia Red, so you can add it on top of the lipstick of the more neutral or the more red for a pop, an extra punch. And then these 2 other shades are really fun, and they're 2 shades I've always kind of been obsessed with, but almost never, or not as often bold enough to wear, and I wanted to make something that was kind of out of the box. Do you know what I mean? Just kind of, makeup is about experimenting and having fun. Forever Yours is like this beautiful, romantic, pinkish red, and then Wish is like this deep, 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 kind of like burgundy leaning towards purple, that I'm also obsessed with, and it's just, I can't believe that I'm holding these and talking to you about them. I can't wait to see them on you.
And then to complete the collection, 4 nail polishes.
Precisely. And I'm wearing the Sophia Red on my hands right now.
I'm so proud of you.
Thank
I'm so
you.
proud of you. When we met 2-3 years ago,
Yeah.
I feel like we had such a great connection.
We did.
And I followed her path ever since. I mean, she popped up on the radio here, and I was like texting her. I'm like, you're on the Dutch radio. You're here.
You know I've been a fan of yours for forever, so I admire you so much and what you stand for. So to be on your channel and to be talking about my line is really, it's surreal. So thank you.
It's an honor having you here, sweetie.
Ditto.
I'm really happy. Seeing this next chapter in her journey is just making me so proud. So of course, we decided to stand in this household.
We had
so
to.
today we're playing with this collection. We're doing a couple of fun games. So let's go. All right, so Sophia and I took our lipstick off. We're now here in our natural state, and we're about to dive into our first challenge. We're gonna take the Sophia Red lipstick, and we're gonna have to apply it very quickly, very perfectly in one go. And then to seal the deal, we're going in with the Sophia Red Ultra HD Matte Lip Color. And then whoever presses the buzzer first wins this challenge. So who's gonna count? Wes, are you gonna count?
Yeah.
Manager Tutorials in the building. He's gonna count for us. Whew. Okay.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh my God. Oh God.
Oh my goodness. It feels so good.
The pigment though? Hello?
Are you already on the, oh gosh.
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
No! What do you think? How does it feel? Oh my gosh, it looks so good on you. Your glowing.
entire look right now is a vibe. This went on so fast.
I know.
So pigmented, so creamy. I am dead.
It's really incredible. It just feels like so comfortable, and like even though it's matte, it's so moisturizing. I love how it feels.
As you're playing with your lip, tell me how's life been lately? How you're holding up during this quarantine season?
You know, I feel grateful for my family, for our health, for my health. I mean, it goes without saying that this has been, you know, difficult times would be saying an understatement. So I think finding gratitude and realizing that nothing really matters in life but family and health is, I think, most important. And it's been really surreal to, throughout this, be able to also have really special moments in my career, like today, even though we're not together physically, you know, to have this launch is so, it's so surreal. To have music out there and movies out there, like my Netflix movie, that are also in some way bringing smiles to people, it's such a privilege. All I want is to just make people smile right now, and they've been doing that, and I hope that these lipsticks and these kits make people smile too. How have you been?
I feel like in Holland we're doing better now.
Yeah.
I know America is going through it,
yeah.
and it's so frightening to see. So if anyone is watching this, wear a mask, stay inside.
Absolutely.
Play with these lipsticks inside and show it to your family inside the house and share it on social media. But please stay safe, because it is crazy out there.
It's not just for us, right? It's our duty to protect our friends, our families, the rest of the world. So let's just stay safe and get through this together. How's your mom?
Mama's good.
I love that photo of you guys together when you did her makeup.
Mama Tutorials is looking into buying a RV.
Good for her.
She's going down that road. She's like,
time.
which one do you like more? I'm like, Mom, I don't know. I don't know a thing or two about RVs. So our lips are perfect and popping, and now let's dive into the second challenge. So for the next challenge, we're gonna be doing a rapid fire, and the rules are this. Wes, Manager Tutorials, is gonna be asking us the questions, and whoever clicks on the buzzer first and gets the answer right wins a point. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
What's your favorite Disney princess?
Belle, what's your favorite?
Mulan.
Good one. My favorites are actually
So
Belle and
badass. We can never forget this scene where the lady just wipes up an entire face
You're
with
right.
one sleeve, and I'm like, power of makeup,
Iconic.
baby.
Name 2 movies you would bring to a deserted island.
You went first, go.
The Hunger Games and Ready or Not.
Why would you take the Hunger Games to a deserted island?
I mean, to like prepare, gain some like information on how to survive,
Sure.
and if an intruder gets there who doesn't need to be there,
Yeah.
you go like full Katniss Everdeen on them.
Full Katniss Everdeen.
And then
Start
instead of the
practicing.
girl on fire, it's like the girl on fire. I need sun protection, thank you.
I'm thinking Audrey Hepburn right now, so I would say like maybe Breakfast at Tiffany's or Sabrina. I would take Sabrina. Oh, you know what? I would take Moulin Rouge, which is also my favorite movie of all time.
Oh, get the tissues.
Iconic, just like iconic. Yeah, I would take those two.
What is one beauty product you cannot live without?
Sorry. Lipstick. What's yours?
Lip balm.
Lip balm.
Name your favorite food.
Pasta.
Chocolate.
What was that?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. I mean, that would be right there, right under pasta.
Okay, so in Holland we have a typical thing we eat when we barbecue.
Okay.
It's like bread that you put in the oven, stokbrood, and then you dip it into satay saus.
How do I say that?
Satay saus.
Satay sauce?
Oh my god, that
Was
was
that
so
it?
good.
Satay
That was so
sauce?
good.
Favorite Revlon product.
Ooh.
The Sophia red lipstick, but I might be biased.
For me, it would have to be the Candid foundation.
Name one beauty hack.
You take this. You're the queen. You go, please.
My favorite beauty hack is curling, the eyelash curler is heating it up with a lighter.
Oh, wow. I've never
It's
done
like
that before.
having an actual curling iron
On your...
for the eyes. So you literally do this. You warm it up, then you let it cool down for a little bit, and then when you curl, oh my god, the lift.
The lift.
The lift.
To me, it's more about like when I prep before makeup, I love either like putting ice on my skin or rolling with something really cold. Just like helps to like depuff and like tighten everything, and I just feel like my skin is happier after, just takes makeup on differently.
Oh, I'm gonna steal that.
Steal it and let me know what you think. I love it.
Wes, write this down.
If you had to cover one iconic song, what would it be and where would you perform?
Oh, I pressed the buzzer, but I'm still thinking, but I wanted to press the buzzer anyway. If I wanted to cover one iconic song, either Elvis Presley's Can't Help Falling in Love, because it's my favorite song of all time, and I've been singing it since I was a little girl, and it just transports me every time I sing it.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, if I could pick anywhere in the world, I'm gonna say like Madison Square Garden. Wouldn't that be the dream? Or right now, I really love Phineas. I think he's incredible, and he has a song called Let's Fall in Love for the Night, which just like gives me chills every time I hear it, so I would choose either of those two. But I would love to see you cover a song and give me just all the
It'll be a lip
fiercest
sync.
vibes. It'll be a lip sync.
It'll be a lip sync, trust me. I probably want it to be like leveling RuPaul's Drag Race lip sync
Absolutely.
for your life. So there need to be multiple wig reveals. Do you believe in a wig after wig?
I believe it.
Actually, people should let me know in the comments down below what would be the one song I would lip sync to and give it to you all.
Please shoot that video.
What's the first makeup product you've ever bought with your own money?
You took it, go.
Gesso eyeshadow by MAC.
The white?
The pure white.
Oh, the pure, oh my gosh, I had that one growing up. The pure like
Right?
Snow White.
The pure white.
Yes.
And oh,
I remember the first one I ever wore was my
Right.
mom's Revlon lipstick, believe it or not, when I was a little girl.
oh, hey, full circle.
Which is so full circle. It was her red lipstick. I'd have to get back to you on the first one that I bought.
What's the first country that you'd like to visit if the travel ban is lifted?
The first thing I want to do when this is over is jump on a plane and first see my parents in Miami in Florida. And then I am dreaming of going back to Europe with my sister. So I think Paris or Italy would be just amazing. And then maybe we can meet in either Amsterdam or in Paris, right?
Or all three.
Or all three. That sounds amazing.
You know, I'm not gonna lie, I'm really missing the Cheesecake Factory in Beverly Hills right now.
Come over. It's just like 3 blocks away from us.
What would your superhero name be?
That's a great question. Go for it.
I mean, I gotta say that, right? The one and only. I don't know!
Terrific. There's
I got it. Terrific tutorials.
terrific tutorials.
Terrific tutorials.
I love that. Terrific tutorials.
Super.
Super Sophia. Super Sophia and terrific tutorials.
And then our move would be this. Ready to save you now.
Ready to save the world, one lipstick at a time.
Okay, so we took our beautiful red lips off, and now it is time for a fun ombre makeup hack. We're going in with the color Untold Stories. Oh girl, this color.
I know. It's so beautiful.
Okay, and once you have Untold Stories on, you're gonna take On Fire.
Which is like an orangey red.
And then we're gonna do, we're gonna powder our lips like this, like,
Okay.
And then we're just gonna tap the bullet onto the sort of like inner,
I'm gonna watch you do it first.
so like this, So just tapping it up and down.
Okay.
And see what it's doing? It's giving that sort of like bright pop on the inside.
How did you put your lips? You went like this? Okay. Oh wow, this is so cool. Oh wow, this is so cool, Nikki.
Right? It looks like a little blotted gradient moment. So of course, we need to share the love in this video today. So today I am giving away 5 kits.
What?
I'm gonna grab them right now. I'm gonna give away 5 of the kits of Revlon and SOFIA CARSON. So if you're loving what you're seeing, you can get this sent to your house safely and sound in this pandemic. So what you have to do to enter is, of course, be subscribed to my channel. You're gonna have to follow SOFIA on Instagram, and as well follow Revlon on Instagram too. Oh wait, no, you gotta like my video too before we get to that, and give this video a thumbs up. Now, once you've done all of that, it is time for you to comment the Dutch word of the day. And the Dutch word of the day today, Sophia, tell me.
So I wanted it to be inspired in the collection, and one of the shades is called Obsessed. So the Dutch word of the day is obsessed. So take it away, Nikki.
Geobsedeerd.
Okay, let me try this. Geobsedeerd.
That was so good. I am shocked right now. That was perfect.
That may be my favorite word I've ever said in my whole entire life.
I am geobsedeerd with Sophia Carson and her Revlon collection.
I am hope Shadir with you. Was that right?
That is an end to today's incredible video featuring Sophia Carson. Sophia, I had so much fun with you.
I love you, Nikki. Thank you so much for this. This is surreal.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and hopefully I will see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.